Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making over an Ikea Lack Table. And we're using thin wood slices from Walnut Hollow. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make over an Ikea table. Probably shouldn't have painted the top of the lack table because some of the pieces tended to come off with the paint. So if you're going to paint the top of your lack table, make sure to sand it so you have a nice tooth before you paint it, and then you can glue on your wood slices. I figured it out eventually. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.